It is killer Camaro time. Check this thing out. 1970 Camaro Rally Sport, nut and bolt, body off frame, rotisserie restored, big block 454, 4-speed posi, air, 4-wheel disc brakes. This thing's amazing. Look at the stance, the color. It's got it going on. What I'm holding here in my hand is a photo album of the restoration, showing it taken down to just a bare gutted shell. There was nothing left on the body. All nice clean metal throughout, all stripped and then rebuilt from the ground up. We've also got a bunch of restoration records and receipts here in the back of the book, so this will go with it, of course. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can read about the car, look at a bunch of pictures, top to bottom. And that's where you find a price tag along with a monthly finance option. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing is hot. They got it dialed in and set up real nice. It's a very nice build. Fit and finish is excellent. It looks fresh. So like I said, it was taken to a bare shell. Every component was removed from the bottom of the car. It was flipped on its side. It was sandblasted, prepped, and painted the body color. That's how nice the metal is underneath. They painted it the same copper metallic color. The entire front end, steering, suspension, all apart, painted, rebuilt, upgraded coilover adjustable gas shocks, upgraded sway bar, and it's all new, the steering, everything. In back, it's upgraded with a 4-link system. It has tubular control arms. It has like a tubular support bar, something a little different than what I've seen before. It has a pan hard bar, coilover, adjustable gas shocks in back. So that's all custom and installed real nicely. Real nice exhaust. Fat exhaust, goes into an X pipe, then it goes all the way out the back with these nice chrome or stainless tips. They did a nice job installing the exhaust. All new brake system, and it has drilled and slotted rotors at all 4 wheels. E-brake assemblies all new. The brake lines, the hoses, all that replaced. Fuel systems all been replaced. It is a fuel-injected motor, so it has the high-pressure lines and fuel pump, everything compatible for a fuel-injected motor. You look up at the motor, it's spotless, has a big extra capacity oil pan, has a high-torque starter, has a performance clutch, rebuilt Muncie 4-speed transmission, new Hurst shift linkage, aluminum drive shaft, rebuilt rear end, 373 posi gears, has an aluminum girdle cover on the rear end. So underneath of the car is amazing. The body is amazing. From what I've seen, I've just been around it a couple times. It's perfect, but now let's look at it close and see what I can find. The roof is straight. I mean, it's like a mirror, no issues, no cracking. This is a problem area a lot of times. No cracking, no funny business. It's all real nice. All the way down to the bottom, nice, clean. Trunk fits square and flush. Has the low profile spoiler. All this is mint, no issues. Same thing over here, no issues. All clean, dry, clean metal. Look at the gaps, real nice, no bubbles, no bumps, nothing like that. This is all spot on. Got sport mirrors, cowl hood. All this fits beautifully, absolutely straight, no dents along the body line, or none at all for that matter. The copper metallic just sparkles when the light hits it. It's just a beautiful color, and they do have it laid out evenly and they have the clear coat polished like glass. Little nick up on top here, and there's some white stuff. Yeah, okay, the white stuff's coming off, but there's a little black speck right there. Rally Sport. So that has the nose that sticks out, split bumpers, reconfigured lights. That's the Rally Sport front end. It's all sparkling and beautiful, all looks new. Here's a touch-up on the kind of the inside here of the edge is touched up. I think this looks amazing. It is a decal, has a little red stripe right here. If you wanted to remove them, I think is a perfect choice. Z28 emblem. All the glass is new, and this is smoked glass, not tinted, but smoked glass. All the seals and weather strips, all the moldings here, door handles, all the stainless, all been replaced. The back bumper is new, the tail lights are sparkling, the lock, the emblem, everything just sparkles and glistens on this car. The wheels, they did a great job with those too. 17s in front, 18s in back, and look how wide them puppies are, and look at the fatter tires, so it just gives it that really tough guy stance and profile. Has a front spoiler too, you probably noticed that. So, car is incredible on the outside. I got a lot more to show you inside. All right, we got a beautiful trunk. Under the lid and the jam, all painted real nice. Weather strip is replaced. I seen it with the mat out, immaculate metal, been spatter painted, new insulation behind the seat. You go to volocars.com, that's where you can look at our complete inventory. We have about 100 pictures of each car, top to bottom. The jams are painted real slick. It's a real clean door. Weather strips are replaced. Sill plates are replaced. Door panels all in excellent shape. It looks like they dyed some of the plastic. You can see around the armrest some of the plastic is chipped up. The paint, that's easy to re-dye. The new handles. The instrument panel is all new. It has the factory gauge package, tachometer and gauges. Dash pad is replaced and fits nice. New vents, glove box door. All that's mint. Has an upgraded stereo. This is for the digital control or screen for the fuel injection. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Upgraded vintage air controls. They're electronic. It's a center console. It's in excellent shape. It also has some aftermarket gauges. Some people think they're a little more accurate than the originals. Seat belts, all new. The upholstery, but there is a snag right here on the seat. Someone must have got in with something and snagged the piping. But the upholstery, all that's redone. This whole thing is lined with sound deadener. It's got all new wiring. Back seats are redone. Carpet's called Oyster. It's a nice light color and it still looks real nice. All the plastic is real nice. It has 6x9 speakers in back. Headliners redone. Dome light works. Visors, mirror are excellent. The back of the seat has a little, the dye. Dye is real easy. You spray it on interior parts, so that's an easy fix. But that's the only thing I found wrong inside the car. The rest of it's beautiful. In the pictures, they show the interior gutted, and it's just dry, clean metal. Was a professionally built engine. It's got roller rockers, Edelbrock intake on top with, it looks like a Holley Sniper fuel injection, premium fittings, nice air filter. It's got a modern billet distributor back there. I don't know if that's MSD or whose that is, but nice distributor, nice plug wires, nice valve covers too. Coated headers, all painted real nice, obviously. So the whole front of the motor has these fancy billet brackets and pulleys and mini compressor, and all the AC and heater hoses run behind the fender. out of sight. This also has a modern aluminum alternator, modern power steering with billet hoses. We got some stuff going on right here. This is a vacuum pump because of the radical cam that's in there. You don't have enough vacuum, so this produces the vacuum. This is a catch can system. It just vents the motor out through a vent instead of it coming out the breather here and getting oil in your engine. Willwood billet master cylinder, chrome brake booster. We've got an electric fan on the front of the motor. Polished aluminum water pump too. So yeah, it's a show quality motor compartment. Look up under the hood's all painted. Revs up nice and clean, no coughing or sputtering. Steering smooth, clutch is smooth. The sun is shining, maybe I should go and not come back. So there you have it. I think it's a super impressive car. This is one of those that you pull into a car show or cruise night, people are going to be impressed. The cameraman guessed that is going to be asking about $130 for this car. It just gives that sort of appearance. I'm not asking anywhere near that. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your door. They can help you finance it. We've been selling these second-gen Camaros like crazy, and this is one of the nicest ones I've had. So if you like it, go to volocars.com. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.